Let's go.
Huh.
I'm just getting a bunch.
It showed it? I wanted to see that so bad, but it didn't show it to us.
You could always ask him to bring it down and show you the book.
Yeah.
All right.
Zoom in on the warhead. And then, like,
We're
unfocus.
making some tape to bring with us tonight.
Because we had a field trip.
To win.
A video production house.
Oh.
They're gonna take some of our footage.
This is special.
But if this is all you're getting, you must have other stuff too.
We'll get.
Dude, you should take from their football stuff.
Yeah.
Seriously. Take it.
You never saw our football stuff.
Yeah, you showed us. Remember?
Yeah.
Came all black, this was clear.
Yeah. But what do you
It's
say?
colorful.
Stuff
And it says Patrick Kelly grabs the ball.
Did,
It's on the ground.
did it look good?
Collins
He's
is
taking
going.
some.
Collins is.
Did people know it was me? Did people know it was me?
Yeah. 83.
Here, hold this up, Bob. Come
Did
here.
everyone go,
Bob,
that's
hold this up.
Kelly?
Hold it up.
Yes.
How?
Hold it right in your hands. No, jerky.
Jerky. Like this. Whose helmet's this? Whose helmet's that?
It's mine.
You only two stickers?
How many do you have?
One.
What, offense?
Yeah. One game.
Like that. Yeah. Back a bit. Right there. Okay, wait. Let me macro.
Put it on.
Yeah, the music on the video yearbook, I was ready to thrash somebody for it.
I guess you're not buying your book.
I hate high school, I should have one to remember.
Dennis, why do you hate high school?
You could buy it and get some star.
Give it a chance, will you?
By burning it.
Go
You
get
got
my
what's on your wrap thing.
Okay, good.
Oh.
Damn, it's up.
Oh.
All I get's a tank top. That's all. Yeah, but
Yes, we can.
I did your grades, and I've already turned them in. Yeah, yours came back 0. They didn't give you a grade. I have to redo yours for some reason.
What do you mean, they didn't give me a grade?
0. The computer spit you back out.
what about me? What did you get? You gave me an A, right?
A minus.
A minus.
I think it's an A minus.
Okay, good.
Don't complain, you
I
got
think yours was a B plus.
B plus? Huh?
And I must tell you also, Bob and Rick got a B, but I had to give you an A because of your absences, unfortunately. But I just want you to know that your average was a B from your tests and your working class.
What did I get?
You guys did very well.
What did we get?
Oh, see ya.
Do we white
You know
balance?
how many?
It
Well,
doesn't matter when you're there.
No, you should do for the mid. Oh, you
I
should do
am
middle
torn.
school.
I agree with you, Dennis.
Yeah, I do
and I
too.
also agree with them. If you can get an A and be here for 3
That
days a
rule's
week,
changed.
fine. Is it? I haven't heard.
Probably you should do.
You should listen. Sullivan was talking to us the last one about it. All it takes is one parent to call for PTSA and they'll change it.
Yeah, well, I think parents have
We
called
could
me.
get a
One-
unit from every.
No, listen.
You gonna buy mine?
And then in the corner of the screen.
How'd you hear mine's better?
You get someone
The
said it.
scores of the Middlesex League and the highlights. Say,
Yeah.
well, he ran for this and this and this.
That's a good idea.
A lot of highlights from the other schools.
All right, well, listen, because they're producing in here, you can't do it. You want me to teach you how to use the CG program in the poster?
You should.
So you can at least write your name?
Okay, you already learned it.
Well, we
Jude,
learned
you wanna check this out?
facts and likes.
It's a good shot.
Is that a macro?
No, I think so. No, it isn't. It doesn't.
Oh, number 21, we have to
Doesn't
remember
matter.
that one for the rest of our lives? Oh, yeah, that is good.
Should put a football right here.
And it's a hard thing. And when you see your image plastered all over, and when you realize, geez, here they are really totally, raping our images.
I think it's paying respect to him.
No, it isn't paying respect. Paying
Mr.
respect
Bob
in no
feels just
way.
like you. That's why when someone get kicked out, we all do the show.
Oh, really?
She starts almost crying. She cried last year.
Really? Well, I don't think I would ever cry. That would be the last thing I would do over that. No. But it's kind of weird, and I guess...
Why is it offensive? I like Michigan's
Thanks,
Does anybody have anything a little different?
The Wolverines.
No, Wolverine, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
I also like the
Yeah,
Washington.
What's that?
Texas A&M.
But
Aggies,
what's an Aggie?
Agricultural.
agricultural student.
It's just like a person with like a hoe or something or a rake.
It's like the Buckeyes.
The
Wait.
That would be good.
Corn Huskers.
The
Italians.
Cornhuskers is
I like the
good.
Jayhawks. Jayhawks are
Oh,
The
that's
Tar Heels.
Kansas.
The Tar Heels.
The Jayhawks, isn't that Lawrence, Kansas?
Yeah, Kansas.
Jayhawks is Kansas.
Because I was in Kansas.
What about the,
and I was
Tar
Dover
Heels?
Jayhawks.
You're in Kansas. That's cornfield,
Tar
wheat field, cornfield.
Tornado. Cornfield, wheat.
Dorothy.
Yeah.
Lady riding on a bike.
Yeah, you know what I found out in
That's
Cape
pretty,
Cod, and I
what do
wasn't
you mean?
aware of that. Well, say you have a farm, it's a huge, giant farm, you have acres in it, you have 100,000 acres, okay? Your neighbor has 100,000 acres. Well, you'll share with your neighbor. Some of his acreage will be yours, some of your acreage will be his.
So you,
So that if the tornado touches right down, boom, and destroys your 100,000, doesn't touch his, half of
Oh, I
that
see.
was his.
so you have like land over
Spread
here,
the
land over there,
walls.
land over
Yeah,
there.
but if
Exactly,
it's
but the land over there, you're taking care of for me.
Yeah.
I'm taking care of yours over
Oh,
here.
oh.
Everybody minds their own.
If the tornado comes and hits
100,000.
both of them, then they're all screwed.
But it doesn't ever though, that's the funny thing. When tornadoes come down, you can almost measure, with yardsticks, the damage that it does in one little swath. If it
Because it's
touches down and
concentrated down
sits,
at the
then it
bottom.
goes big holes. It's a very weird thing.
Let it like fresh.
No, she plays JV and she gets in some varsity games.
And what does she play? What does she do?
Safety and wing back.
I don't know what that means.
If you're good at it,
She's like a running back. She gets the ball. She
It's
gets
probably-
her hands on the ball.
We
She
used
does.
to
I
have
called
some
her
of
and
our
they
girls.
Yeah, she's a
They
strong.
have a
What did she say to you, Bob?
They just
How'd you
talk.
get her number?
White pages.
What'd you
And
talk
look,
about?
you are so inventive. And now why did you call her? Does it fit? Doesn't hurt your ears when you put it on.
I haven't worn one of these since I was a freshman.
It's like motorcycle helmets. I
Are you-
should wear a motorcycle helmet.
It doesn't hurt.
The motorcycle helmet hurts when I put it on.
You were riding a motorcycle?
Yes.
When?
Wow,
Whenever it's nice out.
You gonna ride it today?
It's
Snowing.
snowing.
That'd be awesome. What kind of motorcycle?
It's snowing.
What kind of motorcycle?
Oh, look here. No, my friend.
Oh. I haven't worn one of these in like 3 years.
This doesn't focus. This thing sucks.
Is it when you make it close?
Yeah, it's zoomed in all the way.
Use macro then.
Oh, macro doesn't work either.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It works barely.
Look at that, we get a better shot of the ship. Okay.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, it's cool. Render it.
You want me to? I see, I
That'll
can't.
take too long.
You have to do it for a long time.
Okay.
Not now.
So not too much lower. You're gonna get the goddamn crawler in. My arm hurts.
That's who that was. Yeah.
Is this long enough?
No. We want it like a minute long. And when I tell you when, you can just like zoom out and that'll be fine.
Okay.
Regan's the producer on this one.
You got it. Don't poke me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, now you can do it.
Now just zoom out.
Yeah, just the effect. Oh, whoa. Maybe we should get an A on this.
Stop it.
I know.
Oh, you pause it.
It was like hail, it was like golf balls. It was really hard when it came on your head. And I took a picture of it with the camera. I brought it home to Massachusetts and my mother says, why were you taping? Why did you take a picture of a trash barrel? The snow was coming on the stairs, but you couldn't see it. You only could see the trash barrel. I'm like, Mama.
Sue, move the umbrella. You're in the way.
Michelle.
She gave it to me. She put it right in my hand.
I'm like, oh yeah, you take it.
Are you taping?
Yeah. I'm just panning. You told me to pan.
See what happened to my four fingers? Oh, they turned purple. That's okay.
She's still paying. That's what I was doing with the camera, and I was like walking around the tripod. I'm like,
This is gonna get tangled.
They can just edit the sound out. Doesn't matter.
I hope so, because we're sitting here. Get the camera, get this. Don't step on the thing. Oh, I don't know.
Is
I
the
don't
sound even coming through there?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
A little
you won't
bit.
Be, you won't be able to hear it. Get the little ladybug.
Michelle?
How is the ladybug?
Michelle?
It's a little ladybug.
Michelle? Why are we bending down? I don't want to be in the picture. Oh, it looks like it.
Now it is.
Because
That's why I use the cable wire. Reaction power, not battery.
What do you guys want me to tape?
this thing behind you.
Okay, I'm coming. Whoa. Shut up, Sue.
Nah, she's recording. It's pretty fast.
Oh, hold it.
Again, so it doesn't come on the tape.
Megan, I have the best idea. We can go like this in front. You want it? We can do it. Okay, ready? Amy? Amy, ready?
Yep.
Ready? You gonna follow me? Yeah.
Where are you?
Wait, no. We're gonna watch first.
Okay.
Ready? Come on, Michelle.
Me?
Ready?
I can't do this. Yeah. Okay, what about that case over there? What about the case over there on the wall? What about the pictures?
What about Christy?
No!
I see steroids.
Stop it. You wasted tape. You want weird people to see us?
Yes.
Michelle, you get a little tight. Amy, press pause. Cake. Press pause. Let's go. Amy, no.
Let me out of this school! Hey.